Hi there, let's get started. We got a Whirlpool microwave oven over the range with a defective bulb right over there. I purchased a new light bulb to replace the old one, but it seems upon installation that the lighting is now working still. Also, open up the panel to the lighting bulb and check the receptacles and the wiring harnesses to see if there's any continuity and the wires are still okay. And yeah, it is still good, but the lighting system is not working, so I need to check the module and unplug the power to be safe. We need to check the module at the back of this panel, but to do that you need to remove the cover on the top side to access the screw that holds the module panel. To remove the module panel, you have to pull it up a little and then check the wiring at the back. Do not pull it all the way. You need to remove those connections first. This is what it looks like when it's removed and detached to the terminals. Now here are the terminals, 1, 2, and there's another one at the top over there. Small one for the screen, and this one is the grounding wire that you need also to unscrew. This is the transistor that I suspect to be defective. It's a transistor AC, and I bought a new one. It's not exactly the same, but it functions the same way, and it has a lower voltage, but it's okay. At 400 volts you can still work on the light bulb at 120 volts. You need to desolder these parts to remove the old transistor and to have it checked by a multimeter. So this is the old one. It's a BT136. I desoldered it, and now we need to double check if it is defective or not. To see if the transistor is bad, it has 3 terminals on it: the anode 1 and anode 2 and the gate. Anode 1 and the gate should have some resistance on it. In this case, the old one doesn't have any, as you can see. Anode 1 and anode 2 shouldn't have any resistance on it. That's a normal thing, and yeah, it doesn't have anything on it. The gate and anode 2 shouldn't have any resistance on it. So like all legs on this old one doesn't have any resistance, unlike the new one, anode 1 and gate has some resistance on it. So yeah, definitely this one is bad. Now we need to solder back the new one. Now to test it, I decided not to put it back all together, just to prevent the hassle, just in case it's not working still. Plug the terminals back in. Be sure that the microwave is not powered yet. Just use extra caution in dealing with electricals. Now plug the power back in. Having a hard time mounting it. Alright. Power's back, and then we can see if it's gonna work. There you go, looks good. Mid, off, highlight, mid, off. Looks good, yeah. So we found out that it's the transistor which is acting as a switch that's defective. So I put the all the covers back in, double check the system, plug the power back on, test the lights, the oven function, the exhaust, and yeah, set the time again. It's all working fine. It cost me like $8 to fix this. All good. I hope I helped you guys with this one.